Are you overwhelmed by managing your trade business? You're not alone. Many tradies struggle to juggle quotes, scheduling, and payments effectively. Imagine saving over 10 hours a week on admin tasks without the stress. Tradify is here to revolutionize your workflow. This all-in-one app simplifies every aspect of your business, from quoting to invoicing, all in one place. With Tradify, you can effortlessly capture inquiries, generate professional quotes, schedule jobs in real time, and track payments easily. What sets Tradify apart? It's purpose-built for tradies, featuring easy job management for electricians, plumbers, landscapers, and more. Don't wait. Start your free 14-day trial today and experience the difference. Your time is valuable. Let Tradify manage your admin, so you can focus on what you do best. Book your spot now.